The sun is shining bright. The beach is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer vibe.
Ava, you say hi. Say hi.
You say vlog.
You say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog naman. Daddy.
Itong house ay iwan here.
Saan?
Sige, tang house ay iwan kaya.
Ba't iniwan me?
Ito malunod niya, Kenny.
Malunod siya, Kene. Hello. Hi.
Vlog.
Hi, vlog. Emma pala. No. Oh, no! I got you. Say hi, vlog.
Hi! Welcome to Emerald Isle Resort!
Yes, nami. So, hello everybody. Welcome to the vlog. Today is April 4, Saturday. 1:30 in the afternoon. So, ngayon po ay Black Saturday. And we decided na mag-swimming. But today, wala kaming beach getaway ulit dahil ang mahal ng gas. So, dito muna tayo sa gilid-gilid. This resort is called Emerald Isle Resort. Malapit lang to sa place namin. It's a 10-minute drive away. And inihintay namin yung mga pamilya namin. At wala pa sila at the moment. At ang init sa labas. So, this is Maxine. Say hi, Maxine.
Hi.
Maxine. Say hi.
Hi.
So, this is my BFF for life. Sino mo ng best friend mo?
Tita.
Ano mo ng pangalan ni tita?
Tita ganda.
Lakas mo! Ano mo ng pangalan ni
Tita
tita?
ganda.
Ah, wow! Siswimming ka?
Wala na lang.
Mamaya na lang? Why?
Taga-mami ko.
Tagal mami mo?
Uh-uh.
Okay. Konti pa lang kaming nandito. Hinihintay pa natin yung iba namin kapamilya.
Hello.
Say hi. Wow! You say, Maxine, you say like and subscribe.
Like, scrub.
How old are you?
Crab.
Are you 5 na? Anong gusto mo daw sa birthday mo? Doll and what else? Birthday na actually kanyang April 26. So, ala ng klase kanita. At mag-request siya yung bilat. Mag-request niya na Bisaya daw may ka-birthday king school. Since
Yes.
king birthday na ala ng klase na. So, mag-birthday king school. King last day na ng school da. Pakilala ko lang kayo din pamilya ako na. So, kalakas na! That's my brother. That's my tatay.
Sabi yelo, dalada ka niyan ka.
Tol, magay kapag yung vlog ko lang.
Hey, vlog. Good.
That's my mother.
Hello.
That's Aline. Nain, say hi.
Yung gamit ko ngayon ka.
This is Pepin! Hi, Pepin! That's Dieter. Say hi, Ter.
Hello.
This is Ryan.
Dito tayo plano.
Mapera.
Nagda-drone siya actually. It's
Pagbalikan ng aeroplano ko. Tingnan para tayo.
Darren Josie. Bapang Kulas. Ba, magay ka yung vlog ko. Mayakit ka yung TV. Papa, magay ko!
Say hi.
Hi! Say hello. Hello, vlog. Here is our food. Wala pa yung iba. Hinihintay pa yung iba.
Let's eat, guys.
That's it, guys. May namunaning maranok. Kevin! Nice. Sana. Kain. That is Aline, ang aking pamangkin na sobrang bait, sobrang sipag, napakabait napakabait, napakasipag ulit. Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Say hi.
Play.
The best coach in town. For inquiries, i-PM niya i-Johnny Cole King FB. Favorite ko la rin, imakadakal ko ka rin. Manibat nanding magluto yun. Mamangan ko. So good. This one. So good. Ito na po ang mga pamilya ko. Everybody. This is Ava again. Hey, bye. Say hi. Say hi. Let's. Bapandon. Ay, busy. Bapandon. Bapandon. Ay. New addition. New addition. Ella baby. Yun na po. Mom, say hi. This is Amor. Wow, talagang pinakilala ang buong pamilya. Nay. Say hi to the vlog. Wow. Girl, marap ka pa, girl. Yon! You're sexy. Yeah. Who is she? Oh. Mama gang. Tay. Sino ka dyan? That's Ate Lorna. Wow. Ate Kat. The Koki. Yang. Ba. Ay ba. Jang mapali, oh. Jang mapali. Love, kaya mo yan. Love, kaya mo yan. Mayakit ka kang TV kanyan. Magay ka pa. Ay. Sabihan mo, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Fishball time! Meron tayong fishball, kikiam, and chicken ball. Let's go! Mars, mura mo.
Ay, uisipan dito ka lang pare. Tama ka rin. Kung tawagin kayo.
ito kayo tibira na. It's currently 4 in the afternoon at yung mga pamilya ko, ayun sila. It's AA. Mamang Eli.
Okay, great. Under the golden light, moon moving slow, feeling so right. Barefoot steps, rhythm in the air. In this summer heat, we don't care. Feel the breezes lifting us high, we're chasing the waves, touching the sky. Together we rise, no looking back. This summer vibe is on the right track. Summer vibes, we're feeling the heat, dancing all night to the ocean beat. Under the stars, we're never alone. This is our time, a summer unknown. Oh, summer vibe.
Brought to you by Yay!
Bisco Pincarello. Ito
Yun! Ulirang estudyante, pero kasama ang jowa. Pagkilala mo yung mga karang viewers kong jowa. Hello. Hi! Hello, welcome back to the vlog. Currently it's 8:30 in the evening. Kumakain pa sila. And halos tapos na lahat mag-dinner, nag-swimming, and nagbihis na din sila. Yung iba nagkakaraoke na. So, today, ano ba? Namilyari kaya katami nga ni Ngaldongin? Para, ano nga sabi mo kay Ngaldongin?
Mapagal ko. Yan talagang next year.
Kamusta naman yung red hair mo?
Ay, Diyos ko, best stress yun.
Next year na naman.
Next year, kaya kami talagang plastic spoon. Then kabigting naman din magluto, ha?
Ali, magkitasa kasi magluto eh, girl.
Ali, pas.
Ika, ano nga sabi mo nga nila ba ngayon?
Okay lang. Masaya.
Ika,
Yes, today, Mila ko yung veneers ko.
bakit?
Yeah, meron ko kasing barbecue, chicken, tapos ito, Mila ko yung afil keso bala ko butolya. And then, pagkalako, kuwapin palit ng veneers.
So, itapin guys. Naramdaman niyo ko ba? Mic test. Makapagol. Kaya baking aso ko. Na para ba binantayan siya? Ikaw, nano nga sabi mo? Bailey, nano nga sabi mo? Talagang high five me, papag high five. Sabihan mo high five. High five. Bailey, high five daw. Bailey. Kumusta yung ganda mo ngayon? Nano nga share mo?
Share ko agad ko sinakaki-swimming pool kaya may lakwa kaming paulo.
I really hope na ma-edit yung vlog na to. And huwag sana kayo mag-expect kasi wala naman masyadong ganap. Since, ayun lang. So, i-edit natin for memories. Again, thank you for watching. Bye!
Guys, this is my cousin, is pretty. And this is my lolo. What? My lolo. Tito. Tito. You look so beautiful. Ay, sorry, handsome. And that is girl. That's girl. And I don't know. Let's go to the song. You want song?
Yes, yes.
Hey you, you want song? Yeah, it's recording. Recording. Say hello, my vlog. Hey you don't want, vlog? Vlog tayo. Let's go to the grill, my house. I'm glad. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, shout out.
Shut up.
Kanino? Landis. You the Landis. Hi, what are you doing?
You are
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's all's good. It's yours. Yes. All's good. It's yours. Yes.
What?
All good.
What do you mean by that?
All good. The video. Say hi to my video.
Hello.
What are you here? Ay. What are you here? Ay. What are you here?
What? Can you repeat that?
Why are you here? What are you here?
Why are you here?
What? Am I here?
Yeah.
Ano ako dito?
Oh.
I am the Granddaughter.
Eh di wow. Kala ko visiting.
Why are you here?
Visiting. Yeah, that's true. Visiting. No bad. Yun lang. Mamaya na lang. Bye-bye.
There's anywhere we can go.